Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol REKR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I like to do the 30-minute time frame because I think it does a great job of telling what the overall story of the price is. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing a day's worth of time, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So right here may look like several days. It's actually just today's price action, Friday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. Like I said, I think this does a good job of telling the story of the price. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today, the grind continues, so definitely some updates need to be done. First, what I'm going to do is a little house clean and just get rid of these lines here. Sure, these lines still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's just try to keep this as clean as possible. So first update that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into next week, the ideal level of support is going to be at $4.90. Ideal meaning for say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay above $4.90. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below that area, I am not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, then that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move, just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 490 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above the the purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, I can't remember if I mentioned this in yesterday's video or not. It doesn't matter. Resistance levels do not matter at all. Why do I say that? Well, with this chart, what matters is what the price has already been doing. This right here. Just keep on building those higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the price keeps on building higher lows, then given it enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations, focus on chipping away and building those higher lows, and just sit back and let the trend continue to do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.